Hey guys, today we spotted one of the wild fort makers. So yeah, we're making a fort in the video because it's fun. I'm not trying to fall in that water, by the way. And I have a really cool view thing, so I'm gonna jump down and I'm gonna scare it. Boo!
Hello.
I didn't scare you, obviously. I'm recording the video, by the way. And by the way, I have this weird, cool close sight thingy. I can see your face very closely right now. Okay. I already took a lot of sticks out of here, and we already kind of started, but who cares? Good enough. I think I'm done with the sticks over here, by the way.
Is that all of them?
I think so.
You want me over here?
Sure. That definitely
I've been
missed.
working on this one stick the entire time.
Maybe you should take this. That thing.
That won't work.
Okay. We have a giant pole. We don't want the giant pole. Oh, there's the view thing. Okay. So, I need to set up the camera somewhere. Okay, I set up the camera so we can see it now. Camera. Maybe this sounds like a good idea. Okay, so,
Come on. My veins.
where did you even, what even is the tool?
Don't worry about it.
Okay.
It's a bit dangerous.
Say hi to the camera.
Hello. Hello.
Look it. Hi. Okay.
Hello.
What was that?
Nothing. Hello.
He has a knife. He's stabbing you guys repeatedly. Please stop. Okay. Okay. So, we're gonna grab the stick. What are we gonna do with the stick? I don't know. Maybe we'll throw it onto the ground. The stick isn't really that heavy, even though it looks heavy. It's not that heavy. Anyway, POV or me. Pliers. I actually got something.
Whew. Yo, Nicholas,
Huh.
you got anything to take out your property?
Huh?
Take that.
You might want the better pliers.
I want both of them.
Okay. Oh, by the way, in case you guys didn't know, we're building a stick fort, which is gonna take a while.
So this is going to be a 2-hour video.
No, not a 2-hour video. Ryan Trahan did it in like 30 minutes, so we're gonna do that too. Sure.
Oh, never mind. I got it.
I have the knife.
Put it there.
Why? How do I work this? Oh, I just stabbed myself. Anyway.
Okay, Nicholas.
Huh.
I need you to grab this. Put that down.
That probably wasn't safe.
I need you to grab this.
Grab it.
Okay.
So I'm gonna squeeze.
No, hold up. Put it there if you can.
Okay. One sec. I have to go set the camera down. Okay, I'm gonna set you guys down. We're not gonna cut the video or anything.
Okay, I'm gonna need you to grab this.
Okay. I feel like right now would be a perfect time to cut the video. Okay, let's not cut the video.
Now I'm gonna need you to. I need to rip this thing apart. How am I going to do this? Can I do it this way? Oh my god, I'm actually drilling in. You can see that right now.
I'm gonna get the camera.